my 7th graders, welcome to math class. My name is Miss Fogelson. You probably have never seen me before, and that's okay because this is my first year at the Faribault Middle School, and I'm so excited to get to meet you all and work with all of you. So today, your first task for math class is to set up your iPad. To do that, we are going to walk through many steps together. I will have time for you to pause the video and try it, and then we will continue on. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to go to the Notability app. Now if you don't have it downloaded, don't worry, you're just going to go to the 4 square button and you're going to go to self-service and find Notability and download it. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to click on it. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we back up our files to Google Drive, just in case something happens where our iPad crashes and we lose everything. So to do that, you're going to click the gear shift at the bottom left, and you should already be at the auto backup screen, and then you're going to click Google Drive. And what you're going to do is you are going to log into your Google account. Now remember, to log into your Google account, it is your student ID followed by @isd656.org, and then you're going to type in your password, and then you need to click the blue allow button down at the bottom, and then you will be all backed up and ready to go. So go ahead and pause this video and do that, and then come back and press play, and we'll move on to the next task. Alright, so task 2 of this next assignment is to organize our Notability files. This can get pretty unorganized if we just pile everything in one place. I don't know about you, but I like to be organized. So to do that, you're going to go up to the top left and you're going to click the plus sign. And then it's going to ask if you want to add a subject or a divider. You're going to add a divider and you're going to type in math or pre-algebra, whatever you prefer. And then you're done with that. Now, I like more organization than that. If that is fine for you, then you are good to go. But if you would like, you could add a subject, which we could call Unit 1. And then if you even wanted, you could edit this, so we could move Unit 1 down into pre-algebra. Oops. There we go. And you could even change the color. So go ahead and pause this video and do that, and then come back and we'll move on to the next thing. Alright, our next task is to go into Schoology. So if you already have it downloaded, awesome, go ahead and go into it. If you don't, go to the self-service app and download it. It looks like an S with a blue circle around it. Alright, now what you are going to do is you are going to go to courses. Find this course. And then you should see a folder that says first week of school or iPad setup or something like that. Click that. Once you click that, you should see a couple things underneath it. The first thing we're going to look at is the pre-algebra syllabus. So you're going to click that. And then you can, and then you can swipe and see the whole syllabus and read through it and take careful notes about it. And we want to send this to Notability so we have it in one good spot. So to do that, you're going to go up to the top right, and you see the square where it has an arrow. You're going to click that. And then you're going to scroll until you see the Notability app where it says copy to Notability, and you're going to do that. And then we are going to click create new notes. And if you want, you can change the title, but I think that works great. And then you can change where it goes. This is going to go in Unit 1, and I want both pages, so I'm good there. And then at the top right, you're just going to click import. It might take a second, and there it is. I can scroll and see my whole syllabus. And then you can press the back arrow, and you know exactly where it is. It's under pre-algebra, and it's in Unit 1. So go ahead and pause the video and do that, and then come back. Alright, task 4 that we are going to do. If you go back to Schoology, Might have to exit out of the syllabus. Underneath, there's a new assignment where it says, write me a note using Notability. So what you are going to do is, it says to go to Notability and create a new note and write a little something about yourself and submit it to Schoology. So I'm going to go back to Notability. Now, at the top right, there's a magnifying glass, a box with an arrow, and a box with a pencil. You're going to click the box with a pencil, and now it's a new note. And I believe I can change the name of this, so I'm going to say, Notes About Me. And then I like the color purple, so I'm going to use that one, and I can change it so it's thicker than normal, or however thickness you would prefer on your writing utensil. So I'm going to write one fact about myself. I like the color purple. Alright, now it automatically saves your note, so that is pretty cool. But now what you are going to do is we need to send this note back to Schoology to turn it in. So to do that, at the top left, you should see a box with an arrow. You're going to click that box. And then I don't see Schoology on there. So you're going to click Other Apps. And we want it to be a PDF. And all of my other settings should be good, so I'm going to click Share Notes. And now I'm going to find Schoology. And then you are going to submit to assignment. And then you're going to click pre-algebra. I don't have it set up on my end, but you're going to click pre-algebra and then click Note About Yourself and turn it in that way. Go ahead and pause the video and complete that, please. We're almost done, guys. We're on task 5. Task 5 should be a pretty simple one for you. I'm sure you've done it in other classes before. But to do that, you're going to go back into Schoology, and underneath the Write Me a Note Using Notability, you are going to find the All About You. It's a little quiz, but it's not really a quiz. This is just about you. There are no right or wrong answers. All of the answers should be exactly about yourself, so you shouldn't have to think too hard. I want you to take a couple minutes, maybe 10-15 minutes, and go ahead and complete this assessment so that I get to know more about you and what you need to be successful in math class. So please take a second and thoughtfully answer each of these questions, and then come back and we will move on to the next step. Alright, when you are done with that, we are going to move on to task 6. So to do that, we are going to send me a message. I want to make sure you know how to send a message in Schoology. So to do that, you're going to click the 3 lines at the top left, and you're going to go to Messages. Now, you're going to go to the top right and click the plus sign. Now this is the message. You can send it to me, so start typing in Fogelson. It should pop up. And then your subject will just be hello or hi. And then I want you to type one sentence letting me know you are excited for the school year and your name. I am so excited to learn math this year. Miss Fogelson. And then when you are all done, you are going to click the green arrow at the top, and it has sent to me. So that is task 6. Go ahead and pause this video and complete that, please. And then task 7, this is the last thing you need to do to set up your iPad. You're going to go to iExcel. If you don't have it downloaded, don't worry, just go to the self-service app and download it. I have it downloaded right here. And you're going to need to sign in. Your username is your student ID, mine is a little different, at Faribault, F-A-R-I-B-A-U-L-T. And then you can go ahead and type in your password, and I would save this login so that you don't need to type it in every time. And now this is something that you normally won't ever do, but right now you're going to change the grade from 7th grade to preschool, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to go to math, and you're going to find G.3, and you are going to complete the same and different assignments. Now, this is preschool. It should not be super difficult. So I want you to make sure you get a score of 100 to have completed this assignment. So again, it's G.3, same and different. You need to get a score of 100. And then when you are done, you have completed setting up your iPad. Congratulations, and I will know when you are done because I will see your scores. So if you could complete all of those tasks, that would be awesome, and you will be ready to go for math class.